Got an HPGL file from CAD output or vintage plotting equipment? This is the HP Graphics Language standard for vector plotters used in technical industries for decades. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these HP Graphics Language plotter files. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the HPGL error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. An HPGL file contains plotter instructions defined by the Hewlett-Packard Graphics Language. Users encounter this format when working with older CAD programs or plotters, seeking to view, print, or convert these vector-based designs into modern formats, like PDF or DWG for compatibility with current software and printers. HPGL is an ASCII text-based vector graphics language, consisting of a series of two-letter commands followed by parameters. This human-readable design was chosen for simplicity and broad compatibility, allowing different software and hardware to easily generate and interpret plotting instructions without complex binary parsing, ensuring device independence. Autodesk AutoCAD is the standard set by Autodesk Inc. for accessing the HPGL format. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows may load a small preview, but detailed manipulation requires vector-capable applications. To solve this stubborn file problem, right-click the HPGL file and choose Open With. If Autodesk AutoCAD is installed, test that. If not, choose another application. The solution lies in finding the right software. If the HPGL file is still giving you trouble, relax. If you're still with me, that HPGL file is truly stubborn. We need to stop guessing and start testing. Let's check these critical failure points now. First, opening in AutoCAD. Import HPGL files into Autodesk AutoCAD using the import command or by configuring HPGL as a recognized format. AutoCAD interprets the plotter commands, creating editable CAD entities, including lines, polylines, text, and pen colors. Continue editing the imported drawing using AutoCAD's full set of CAD tools and commands. Next, using ABViewer or HPGL Viewer. Open HPGL files in ABViewer HPGL Viewer or similar specialized HPGL software. These applications display the vector drawing accurately and provide conversion to modern formats like PDF, DXF, SVG, and image formats. Use these tools for quick HPGL viewing without requiring full CAD software installation and configuration. Finally, converting to modern formats. Convert HPGL files to PDF, DXF, SVG, or DWG using conversion utilities like HPGL2 to PDF Converter or online HPGL conversion services. Modern formats provide better compatibility with current software workflows, including web display CAD editing and print production. Choose conversion targets based on your downstream usage requirements. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.